Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we will show you how to delete Microsoft Outlook from your Android phone, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. This is usually found on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. Next, scroll through the Settings menu until you find Apps or Apps and Notifications. Tap on it to access the list of installed apps. Step 3. Inside the Apps menu, you'll notice a long list of apps installed on your device. To make things easier, tap the search icon in the top right corner of the screen. Step 4. In the search bar, type Outlook. This will narrow down the list to show the Microsoft Outlook app and any related entries. Step 5. Once you've located the Outlook app, tap on it to open its App Info page. At the bottom of this page, you'll see the option to uninstall. Tap on it. Step 6. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Simply tap OK, and the app will be deleted from your device immediately. And that's it. You've successfully deleted Microsoft Outlook from your Android phone. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.